Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and put on a tonneau cover on the 2022 Frontier. I actually just found the least expensive one on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description, but we'll see how this fits. So it looks like we have all the hardware in this box. It came with a LED. I'm not sure I'm going to use it. Alright, so just out of the box, it looks like it is already pretty much together. We're just going to have to install it. So it is a tri-fold soft top cover. I'm going out of town this week. I just need something to protect the luggage. So we will see how this goes once we get everything open here. Figure out what to do first. Alright, so here's the seal. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take some alcohol, just kind of wipe this area clean so that the seal can adhere to it. I'm going to measure the seal. And on the back of it, there's just some 3M just peel away adhesive. Alright, so with the tonneau cover up under here, you're gonna take this little T piece and it's gonna sit in these little sliders, and then this part is gonna clip into the bed of the truck, and then this part is gonna secure it. So let me show you what I mean. And then you're gonna do that 4 times, front and back on this first panel. So you do it once there, and then once on the other side. So we'll get the other side. All right, so now you can see that setup. So this part here slides, the T-bar sits in there, this fastens onto the lip of the bed, and then this tightens and clamps everything together. And then you do that on all 4 sides of that first panel, the front, the back, on both sides. All right, now we test whether or not it lines up with the rest of the bed. All right, so here's how it lines up along the truck. And I'm happy with it. All right, so the final spot is you get this front clamp. And you line it up just where you need it. And then it's nice and tight. We'll do the same thing for the other thing. And again, this is just a screw-in clamp. So you just twist it. And there you go. So then when you need to put stuff in the back of the bed and you don't want to use the tonneau cover, you can fold that over. That sits right in there. Fold it over again. And then there's a bungee cord. That'll just bungee right there. And that's not going anywhere. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. All right, guys, that's it. That's the tonneau cover. Looks nice and smooth. I really like the look of it. Again, it was only 150 bucks on Amazon. It was the least expensive one I could find. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.